How to make $1,000,000. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly make money and live their desired lifestyles while others struggle? Today, we'll talk about how to make $1,000,000 step by step, based on real-life experiences, not theories. Consider these key insights. 1. It's not about hard work. Making $1,000,000 is not harder than making $100, $1,000, or $100,000. The common belief that hard work is the only way to make money is a myth. 2. Changing your beliefs. Our struggles often stem from ingrained beliefs and lies we've been taught. Just like the Israelites in Egypt, we've been programmed to build the kingdom that enslaves us with hard work and limited beliefs. The first step to making $1,000,000 is to change these beliefs and understand that it's possible and can be easier than you think. 3. The faulty equation. Many people think making $1,000,000 is hard because their highest income so far is much lower. This faulty programming stops us from even considering how to make $1,000,000. Stop assigning a level of difficulty to making $1,000,000 before you even try. Follow these steps to make $1,000,000. 1. Don't assign difficulty. Never assume something is hard before you try it. The successful never see tasks as hard. They see them as steps to achieve their goals. 2. Decide to do it. Making a decision is more than choosing. It's a commitment with no turning back. Once you decide to make $1,000,000, your subconscious will help you find the way. 3. Disconnect revenue from time. Time is limited, so anchoring your revenue to hours worked limits your potential. To generate unlimited wealth, separate your earnings from time spent. 4. Product-based income. Creating a product, like a book, can be a lucrative way to earn. For example, selling 50,000 copies of a book at a $20 profit each equals $1,000,000. 5. Leverage existing audiences. Find people who already have the attention of your potential audience. One successful podcast appearance can sell thousands of copies of your book. Now, time to scaling up. Increase product value. Create higher-priced products like audio programs for $200, courses for $2,000, or VIP experiences for $20,000. Each step up reduces the number of sales needed to reach $1,000,000. Keep moving zeros. As you increase the value of your offerings, you need fewer customers. For example, a $200,000 VIP day only requires 50 clients to make $1,000,000. Practical example. A business sells $70,000 to $90,000 worth of books monthly, over $1,000,000 a year. This isn't theory, it's practical and replicable. Secret to success: focus on others. Don't make it about you. Solve other people's problems. People will pay for solutions to their problems, not for your personal story. In summary to all that, making $1,000,000 step by step involves changing your beliefs, deciding to do it, disconnecting revenue from time, and scaling up product value. Focus on solving other people's problems, and the money will follow. Remember, the cost of saying no to opportunities is often higher than the cost of saying yes. I hope this helps you on your journey to financial independence. Stay blessed, and we'll see you in the next video.